Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming your account meets TikTok rules and age limits. You must be at least 16 to go live and 18 to receive gifts. Check that you have at least 1,000 followers to unlock live streaming. Open TikTok settings and navigate to creator tools and live settings. Enable live rewards or gifts so viewers can support you during streams. Link a payment method and set up creator payout if required by your region. Begin your live session with a clear hook and reward goal. Ask viewers to send gifts and coins to support the stream directly. Gifts convert into diamonds, which become creator earnings after processing. Use milestones and polls to motivate gifting and to increase viewer engagement. Display reward goals on screen so viewers know what each gift supports and why. Monitor chat closely and thank contributors by name to encourage more participation. After the stream, check your creator dashboard for diamonds and payout details. Creators often receive about 50% of gift value after conversion and platform fees. Withdraw earnings according to TikTok payout rules and linked payment methods. Use moderation tools and filters to block abusive messages and remove disruptive users quickly. Review live analytics to learn which reward offers performed best and what times earn the most views. Adjust future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.